Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Annapolis Royal is a small town located in Annapolis County, Nova Scotia, on the Annapolis Basin near the mouth of the Annapolis River. With a population of approximately 500 residents, it is one of the oldest continuously occupied European settlements in Canada. Despite its small size, Annapolis Royal holds a remarkable place in Canadian history and remains one of Nova Scotia's most important heritage destinations. The history of the area begins with the Mi'kmaq people, who lived throughout the region for thousands of years before European arrival. The protected waters of the Annapolis Basin and the fertile lands nearby provided excellent conditions for settlement, fishing, transportation, and trade. Long before Europeans arrived, the area was an important gathering place and travel route for Indigenous communities. French settlers established a community here in 1605, making it one of the earliest European settlements north of Florida. Originally known as Port Royal, the settlement became the capital of Acadia and played a major role in the early history of North America. Over the next century, it served as an important center for French settlement and trade. The area experienced numerous conflicts between France and Britain during the 17th and 18th centuries. Control of the settlement changed several times as European powers competed for influence in the region. In 1710, British forces captured Port Royal and renamed it Annapolis Royal in honor of Queen Anne. The town served as the capital of Nova Scotia until the capital moved to Halifax in 1749. One of the most important landmarks in the town is Fort Anne. The fort was used by both French and British forces and is now a National Historic Site. Visitors can explore the historic grounds, military earthworks, and exhibits that tell the story of more than 4 centuries of local history. Another major attraction is the Annapolis Royal Historic Gardens. Covering more than 17 acres, the gardens feature a wide variety of flowers, trees. Together with the town's collection of historic buildings, the gardens help attract visitors from across Canada and around the world. What people do for work in Annapolis Royal has changed over time. In the early years, farming, fishing, shipbuilding, and trade supported the local economy. Today, many residents work in tourism, hospitality, retail, healthcare, education, government services, construction, and small business ownership. The town's historic attractions, museums, restaurants, and accommodations create many local jobs, particularly during the tourism season. Some residents also commute to nearby communities for employment. The Annapolis Valley and surrounding region continue to support agriculture. Farms throughout the area produce apples, berries, vegetables, grapes, and livestock. Agricultural businesses remain important employers, while local wineries and farm markets contribute to the economy and attract visitors to the region. Housing in Annapolis Royal remains relatively affordable compared with many larger communities in Canada. The town offers a mix of historic homes, waterfront properties, and newer residences. Average home prices generally range between $300,000 and $500,000 depending on location, size, and condition. Historic properties in desirable locations may command higher prices. Today, Annapolis Royal continues to celebrate its rich history while serving as a vibrant, small community. Its connection to the earliest chapters of Canadian history, combined with its scenic location and well-preserved heritage, make it one of Nova Scotia's most distinctive towns. Thanks for watching!